In this video, I'm gonna give you the 5 actionable steps that you need to take to start affiliate marketing today. Stay tuned. Okay guys, today we're gonna give you the 5 steps for affiliate marketing. Just wanna give you a brief overview of who I am. I've been doing online marketing. I have an online business I run that is not a passive income stream. It is a service-based business. It's a graphics design firm. It's a lot of fun, but this channel is dedicated specifically to people that wanna learn how to get their passive income up, okay? So, today, we're gonna do the actionable steps that I took that you guys need to take if you wanna start affiliate marketing and you wanna get your first sale. All right, so we're gonna come over to the whiteboard here. Let's see, we're gonna erase everything on this board, okay? Because we don't need any of this, that's advanced stuff, okay? Too advanced. Today we're starting for free. We wanna know the most basic principles, okay? How to start, how to get your first sale, and how to do it with absolutely no money. We're gonna give you the best process that you can follow today so you can get your first sale. The number one thing that you guys have to do, this is the most important thing that we see so many people skipping out on, guys, is you have to pick a niche, okay? You wanna choose a niche because you wanna get hyper specific with your audience. You wanna be able to talk to them. You wanna be able to hit exactly on their pain points, okay? So really focus down on what you wanna do. All right, so step number 1, we're gonna put it right here, is pick your niche, okay? Extremely important. The way that I tell people to pick their niche is find things that you are passionate about. Sit down, what do you like, okay? All these influencers on YouTube, they like makeup, they do makeup, they like electronics, video games, they like business. Whatever it is that you do and that you focus on, sit down, find those things, and build an audience around it. Okay, that takes us to point number 2, guys. Point number 2 is gonna relate to this because once you have your niche, you are going to start a YouTube channel, okay? Now, this is the part that is, does channel have 2 ends? Maybe, maybe not. So you're gonna start a YouTube channel, okay? This is extremely important, but the issue is this is where people stop. This is where people give up. They say, oh, well, you know, I'll pick a niche. I want to do video games. I want to do business. I want to do this. And then when you tell them to go start a YouTube channel, they say, well, I can't do that. I don't know how to start a YouTube channel. I don't want to put myself out there and be awkward. Okay? So you guys have to get out of your comfort zone, do exactly the thing that you don't want to do, because that is what's going to make you successful. Okay? Doing the thing that you don't want to do is going to make you successful. Just remember that, guys. If you ever have a decision to make and one item feels like the thing you don't want to do, it's not as comfortable. The reason it's not comfortable is because it's not who you are currently, okay? The person you are is not successful, okay? You're going to have to do uncomfortable things, new things. You're going to have to go out and reach out and try new things. Well, the first one, as you've heard probably a million people before me say, start a YouTube channel, okay? I'm not the first one to say this. This has been said 1,000 times by every person ever that had a YouTube channel, okay? Or that does business online. They tell you start a YouTube channel, okay? So, number 2, YouTube channel, it's free. The whole point of this video is how to start affiliate marketing for free. If you want to do this for free the right way, all you have to do is go sign up for a YouTube channel. It doesn't cost you a penny, and go start producing content in your market, okay? It's the exact same thing that I'm doing right now. It's the same thing that a ton of different influencers are doing. You don't need a bunch of fancy equipment, okay? I have a green screen back here. That's for business videos. That's not for YouTube. That's just gonna sit as a backdrop. Who cares? I have a whiteboard, Amazon, everything's from Amazon, guys. I'm filming on an iPhone, the front-facing camera, okay? So it doesn't have to be the most professional in the world. I'm not trying to get billions of dollars in fundraising. I'm trying to make a video that shows you guys the benefits of affiliate marketing and how to start for free, okay? I don't have $1 million studio. I have a 1-bedroom apartment that we just moved into that has crap everywhere, and it's not set up yet, okay? That's how simple this is. Start your YouTube channel. It doesn't matter who's gonna judge you. It doesn't matter how you feel about it. Put out the videos, start producing content every single day, okay? That's step number 2. Step number 3, you've picked your niche, okay? You wanna do headphones. You wanna do music review, okay? You've picked your YouTube channel name. You started a YouTube channel, okay? Now, number 3, this is interchangeable with number 4, number 3 and number 4. So number 3 is sign up for an affiliate program, okay? Step number 3, Amazon is one of the biggest affiliate programs out there, okay? So if you want to use Amazon, that's a great way to start, all right? Amazon has that every single product pretty much you can be an affiliate for. All you're doing is giving out the links that you're gonna get, putting them below the videos, and doing video reviews about certain things, okay? The way that you start for free is you don't even have to order these products. If you are passionate and you are into your niche, I guarantee laying around the house, you have, oh, I can do a review of my green screen. I can do a review of this light that I got on Amazon. I can do a review of this whiteboard, okay? I guarantee you that you have things around your house right now that is from Amazon, that is in your niche, okay? If you love gaming, if you love electronics, if you love music, whatever it is, you already have something you can pick up, do a review on, and guess what? You've probably been using it for months and you love it, okay? So Amazon is one of the best places to start if you're learning affiliate marketing from the beginning, okay? Extremely easy to do review videos. That is what this is all about, all right? Extremely easy. People on Google are searching, they're looking for a solution, they're looking for the best headphones to buy, they're looking for the best computer, softwares, things like that. So just be available to these people. Give an honest review. Show them that you care and that, you know, that's really it, that you know your stuff, okay? I'm gonna put one more here. This is my favorite, is ClickFunnels, okay? Now, if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, you don't really need to worry about it, but ClickFunnels is one of the best affiliate programs that I use currently, okay? Now, ClickFunnels is a software that helps businesses. So difference is this is one-time payment. You sell a headphone, you get paid once. ClickFunnels, why I like software is when you sell software, it's reoccurring, monthly recurring commissions, okay? That is personally why I recommend ClickFunnels. Step 4. Step 4 in this whole process is create content, okay? Now, notice that create content is below signing up as an affiliate, okay? The reason that this is step number 4 is very simple because, you know, obviously you want to start putting out content on your channels before you apply to be an affiliate, okay? Yes, you want to create content before, but also once you get your affiliate program, then you want to find the things you like, find the things you already have at your house, and start creating content for those items, okay? So the reason I talk about ClickFunnels, okay, being an affiliate, I've already used ClickFunnels. It's not free, I pay for it every month, but it's how I run my business. It's like finding something around your house. Well, guess what? I found a software that I already use every single day. I love the software. I could talk your ear off about the software. So when I create videos, you better believe I'm gonna mention ClickFunnels, okay? Because it's one of the best things if you're starting out in business, all right? So create content in your market for your specific items, for your specific niche that you want to be involved in, all right? Now, step 5, the final step, we're gonna call it distribute, okay? Because what this is you are getting your content out there, okay? Distribute, we're gonna back it up so you can see all 5 steps without that light that's glaring in the worst possible spot, okay? And get you like right there, boom. All right, so the reason that we have distribute on here is very simple, guys. If I create an amazing video, I create some awesome review, I tell you how good something is, and I don't get anybody to watch it, nobody is gonna like me, no one's gonna trust me, no one's gonna buy through me, okay? Those things are super important, and a lot of affiliates don't talk about it. They tell you, just throw your links up, you can shoot your links out anywhere, it's fine, people are gonna buy from you, blah, blah, blah. No, it's not how it works. Okay, you need to distribute the content. Now, since this video is on how to start for free and everything we've just mentioned here is for free, then you're gonna have to get scrappy, all right? You're gonna have to go to forums, you're gonna have to be on other YouTube videos. Like I go to other YouTube videos and I see people talking about ClickFunnels or business or having questions. I'm gonna drop links, I'm gonna offer to help them. You're gonna have to go into Facebook groups. You're gonna have to just distribute this content, okay? If you have good content and you're in a certain niche and you continue to make content, your videos are naturally gonna gain more and more and more views, okay? You have more likelihood of having that one video that blows up, okay? Which is all that you need, all right? So the reason that we like YouTube and the whole point that we talk about a YouTube channel is there's a lot of people that do affiliate marketing on Facebook. There's a ton that do it on Instagram. But think about this. When you drop an Instagram post, okay? You drop an Instagram post, that post is buried in a week, okay? You drop a Facebook post, it's buried in a week. The difference is you drop a YouTube video, that is something that is a snowball effect, okay? A YouTube video is something that is gonna be gaining momentum over time. Now that is what we like about the YouTube is, that's what it is. It's SEO, anything like Google, you write blogs, you do YouTube videos, it just has that viral effect that keeps it going, okay, long term. So for all you guys wondering, yeah, my name is Andrew Robert. If you wanna follow along on my journey, I am gonna show you, since I am doing this exact system, it's not like I'm telling you to do something that I'm not doing. I'm telling you to do this 5 steps, okay? There's faster ways to do it. If you have money, you can do paid ads. We could do a whole entire video on paid ads, and we probably will. But just keep in mind, this is for people that want to start for free, okay? We're gonna make it as simple as possible for them, all right? Now, even if you don't wanna start for free, I have money to invest. I'm still doing this exact structure because you should be, okay? The only difference is distribute. That is the only difference where the money versus the not money comes into play. You still pick a niche, you still start a YouTube channel, you still sign up for an affiliate program, you still create content, okay? So keep that in mind, guys. But if you guys want a system that has videos done for you, most of the work cut out, click the link down below. Join the Complete Affiliate Machine, okay? It's the program I use that's gonna walk you through how we make money with our system and how you can do the same, all right? Hit subscribe, hit like, I don't care what you have to do. This is the first video, guys, so whatever support you can give on this video, drop it down below. Give me a like, give me a sub, tell me what the hell I'm doing right, tell me what the hell I'm doing wrong. I don't care what it is. Give me some engagement on my content, okay?